Hey everyone, and welcome to the Vinney Beau Show. I'm Vinney Chopra, and this show is about leadership, ownership, and building real wealth with intention. Over the years, I've learned that success in business is actually investing, or life doesn't come from luck. It comes from leadership. Leadership of your mindset, of your making decisions, your teams, and your money. I came to United States with just $7 and big dream. And through leadership, driven thinking, and disciplined execution, I have built businesses across apartments, hotels, senior livings, and many, many more startups and alternative assets. On the Vinney Beau Show, Beau and I have real unscripted conversations about leading teams and building cultures that scale, making decisions like owners, not a follower, and also raising capital through trust and credibility, creating systems that free your time instead of trapping it, and developing the mindset required to lead in uncertain markets. So this is not theory, it's practical. These are the lessons that earn through real deals, real challenges, and real growth. Whether you're leading a company, a family, or is simply your own future, this show is here to help you lead better, think bigger, and live with purpose. Let's get started. Good morning, dear friends. This is Vinney Beau Show. Thanks for liking our show and sharing and everything. We come to you every Friday morning, 9 a.m., most of the Fridays. And today's topic is going to really mind boggle you. Everything is up and down with war going on, with maybe another war coming in Cuba. I just heard this morning, market down 1,100 points yesterday or day before. It's just crazy. 900 points down today, and 92,000 people unemployment applications last month. It's just beginning to really fall apart. I don't know how you feel, brother Beau.
Yeah, I think there's definitely uncertainty in the market, right? And so that's the
Big
problem.
time.
And so now they were getting rid of all the immigrants, and now they're saying, "Oh, we can't let the like."
Yeah.
It just they're doing too many things the wrong way, and then that's what's causing the problems, right? And I think we're in for a little bit of additional turbulence. I don't know. I just think there's always the long-term picture. So like markets are markets, and
Yes.
if you could do something that's sustainable over a long period of time and keep consistent with it, you'll be successful. So
You're so right about it. I play stock market, and that's what the attitude is out there. When it's blood out there, buy. If you're going to stay in that stock for a long period, you think the product is strong and the outlook will be shifting in 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, 12 months. We don't know if it's the rock bottom yet. And by the way, we are not CPAs, attorneys, or any financial consultants. We just want to say that. But what I'm finding is that you're right, stocks and bonds and other things, oil price over $80. Oh my gosh, they say it might hit $120 oil. That's going to bring big inflation. When the inflation is too high, again, the Fed, they'll have to do something about the interest rates. And how is it going to affect? Have you read any reports? Real estate and franchise business. I'm in real estate, commercial real estate. You are in franchising and business and brokerage or loan brokering.
yeah, franchising is growing, even in this economy. And the reason I think so is I think you're seeing such a weird market where you got AI replacing people. Brody Sanchez just spoke at the event I was at here in Las Vegas, and it was like her thing was AI, speed to implementation. And I think that's the real winning game. AI is not it's not like a secret weapon, but it is in a way. But the fact is it's just like, how can you plug in systems and automations where you can be more efficient in your business? And that's what AI does. Like AI can answer your phone now. AI can actually call people for you.
Yes.
AI can do this. AI can build your projections, your pro formas. It can underwrite deals. So as long as there's somebody behind it that understands how to work with AI and make the automations, like really, it's amazing what can be done. So I think you're going to see a lot of streamlining of mom and pop businesses where they've been even boutique motels, right? They've been booking appointments over the phone. They don't even have a digital platform.
Yes.
And they're in a high demand tourist area. You go in there, you bolt on these automations, these systems, you put them onto the travel platforms. Now they're getting millions of eyeballs on them. And just simple things like that. Like same thing in an RV business. Every bit, assisted living, hospitality, restaurants, better point of sale systems, being able to pull better reports on what products are selling the best. So you're seeing a lot of private equity coming in, and
Yes.
they're just trying to monopolize everything. Okay, because how it really works I took a M&A class, mergers and acquisition. The guy,
Yes.
You got a little fish. A little fish is mom and pop business.
Correct.
Then you have a bigger fish. Let's just call it a shark, and that shark buys the mom and pop businesses, and then increases the value of the company 3 to 5 times by implementing systems and doing roll-ups. Then you have these big corporations that buy these private equity companies, and they're the real kings, right? They're these huge conglomerates. The guy that taught the class, he does like $200, $300 million buy-side advisory for big public companies and private equity companies making these. What they really taught me, Vinney, is there's levels to the game, right? Like somebody might look at Vinney and go, wow, you've done so much, right? You had this many doors in multifamily, you've done this many deals and transactions, right? But there's these big companies that there's always levels, right? And so like to me, you have to figure out what you want in your life, and then how do you make the way there? And the ones that I like, if you just stay consistent with your investing strategies over a long period of time, even with downturns, you will be successful.
True.
Yeah. If you get in for the wrong reasons, then you probably won't be successful for a long time.
I would love to. I'm so glad you brought it up. I've been into hotels. This is my third hotel in 4 months. 4 months. I closed one in Legacy West with my partners in December 15th. My next one in Florida, Tampa, Florida, will be closing next month. I've got third one, which is already bought. Oh my gosh, with my partners, and we bought it for very low price, 13 million. Its replacement cost is 96 million. Holy cow, 96 million. It will take me 5 years to build it, but we got it in a big number of hotels. My new strategic partner, they're very big. I'll share with you the name and everything. But the thing is, we are putting 26 million in it. 13 plus 26 is about 39 million. We'll sell for 72 million next year or year after. It's mind-blowing. It's mind-blowing if you know where to find the good deals. And the Legacy Hotel, want to give you really good news too. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 100% occupancy. Last Friday, 100% occupancy, which has never happened in that Marriott Courtyard. In
one you're buying that they own already?
We bought already. No, we bought already.
So you're gonna do the PIP.
Yes,
and rebrand the flag.
Rebrand it, yeah.
So,
exactly.
So explain what PIP is for people that don't know what PIP is.
PIP actually is the property improvement plan. It's like CapEx. Like I used to do multifamily. I still am in multifamily, but very little now, thank goodness. But the key thing is PIP is the money that the hotels, brands, they require you to upgrade the hotel to make it fresh and nice and delight the customers and travelers. So you have to put several millions of dollars actually together to make it spiff. So the one we bought is Generation 2. We're going to convert that Plano, Texas Marriott, which is 100% occupied right now. We just feel like we don't have rooms empty to start doing the construction and renovations. So we are delaying that a little bit because we got now 3 days or 4 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 100% occupancy. And then Thursday is 60%, let's say. And now Friday got 100% last week. So we are really excited about taking over the management and finding where the loopholes were, where people were lazy.
and then put fire under them because they were not dropping the rates of the weekends because they don't want to work. What the heck?
You got to have dynamic pricing, right? That's
Yes,
when you
yes,
adjust during the week and you're not doing
yeah.
that properly, you're losing a lot of money.
Hi, friends. This is Vinney Chopra from here in Danville, California. And you might be saying, hey, Vinny, what are these over here? You know, I wrote this book a few years back. Apartment syndication made easy. It became top seller. I came from India with $7 in my pocket. It says 500 million. It's going to be 1 billion very soon, very soon. I'm right at about 850, 900 million. And then I'm ready for the next billion. Actually, you will see that happening, 2 billion in this book also. The other book I wrote, which has been a very big positivity, has been my life. Always, I've been married 43 years with 2 children. And the beauty is to be positive, the mindset that can take you to all the places in the world. And that's the book that also became big seller. My third book, Senior Assisted Living, is coming. So do yourself a favor. Go ahead and click the link below to get free copies, audio copies of these books, even printed copies of these books. Printed means digital if you can't afford it. But I would highly recommend for you to get these or go to Amazon.com. Just go to Amazon. I got it in soft cover, in hardcover, in Kindle, in audio, also the Spanish version of this book also. So let's crush it, guys. I know you can be successful. I know you can do the kind of things that you want to do in life and have the streams of income and know how to really, educate yourself so that you could become a strong force in this world in real estate. I know you can. So take that step. Don't just be on the sideline. Take charge of your life. Take charge of your education.
So true. And no, I think the exciting thing is, even in multifamily, my students are buying multifamily, very nice multifamilies at much cheaper price because there are so many foreclosures or going to be foreclosures coming up. So if you're looking out there, anybody listening to us, this is the right time to get into real estate. I was just watching some video from Grant Cardone, and he's done very well. 6 billion, I think, in commercial real estate now. But his mind is right. He just explains in a very simple way. I got to meet him one time only, took a selfie with him. That was really nice. But the thing is, you got to be out there in the game to catch the opportunities. And then tax advantages with the high net worth people. I raised about 3 million in just 1 week or so, 2 weeks. And now I'm raising 4.5. I'm just saying that remember, it's for accredited investors only if I talk anything like that. But we're not giving any numbers. If anybody wants to talk to me, please just reach out to me, VinneyChopra.com.
Yeah. No, I think that's good. I think if you're buying a business or property that already has cash flow that can service debt, and you're buying a property under market value, your downside risk is you insulate the risk level, right? So that's the real key of it. How do you insulate yourself into a good investment that has the best tax advantages? So everything, and then what's our plan? Did we build in enough working capital for stabilizing or whatever if you're doing? But if you're already buying a cash flowing asset that you're leaving 20 units vacant because you're doing the PIP on it, right? You still have the cash flow that's covering debt. Because what I found, it's all about cash flow. If you have the cash flow, you can wait out any real estate downturn.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter. Right? It's when you don't have the cash flow that you get your butt handed to you. That's what you have to. So that's, I think, the big takeaway. The big takeaway is when there's choppy waters, you got to be ready to take action because you're able to structure deals that nobody else will because they're nervous about the market.
So true.
You have to believe in your abilities. You have to believe in the team you're working with, and you have to not get over leveraged. Structure deals the right way, and if you can do that, you will be successful over a long period of time.
So true. And relationships and partnerships are the best ways to scale up. It's hard to find the right partners. And actually, I'm writing my 6th book. What? I just published, pre-launched. We are going to launch fully April 23rd. We just decided my team. So we're going to be selling that book on hospitality for 99 cents for 24 hours on April 23rd. But we are going to do promotions. My fifth book is ready with my asset attorney and myself about what's success. What silver spoon is our name of the book. That's also getting launched. Anyway, so very exciting. You got to really be active. Whatever you want to give back to the society, giving back, paying forward, I call it, right?
Yeah, I like that. Yeah, it's
I know
exciting.
your book, your second. Tell
Yeah,
about your
second
books,
book.
brother.
It's fun. I like it, and I like sharing wisdom that I have, learning from others,
Yes,
and then you just keep
yes,
doing that. Somebody's going to teach you something. You're going to teach somebody. And if you do
yes,
that long enough in your life, you get better and better. You find better opportunities, and then
yes.
you like. Now my problem is I am what I would call oversubscribed. Like today I have all these calls. Now it's okay. I can't be oversubscribed. And just
Yes.
now it's limit my calendar, building infrastructure. I'm bringing on a guy that works for private equity, probably to
Nice,
be a
nice.
junior Beau. So
Excellent.
then you grow the team. That you need the infrastructure so you can really
Love
grow,
it.
and then using
Love it.
technology, AI, automation to really move the needle in a much better way. Although it's concerning seeing the political climate and the
Mhm,
wars and stuff, it's crazy. But at the end
mhm.
of the day, I believe life will go on and we'll all prosper. It's just making that 1% shift every day. And if we can all do that, we'll all be more successful.
True.
Hence, our children will be more successful and we'll leave them in a better place than we are. And that's really the goal of what we do.
True.
After
So
you
true.
make a bunch of money, you don't really like your lifestyle wouldn't change that much if you didn't make any more money.
No.
Like you could live comfortably and because you don't spend them. You're a
Yeah.
normal guy. You don't drive around Ferraris. You have a nice car, but you're not flashy. The point
Yeah.
is like you could just go and relax, but that wouldn't be
Yeah.
fun for you.
That away. I
Yes.
tell my wife I'll be 74 in August, 7/4. I'm only 47. I tell her I'm 73, so I'm 37. The thing is, mind has to be stimulated. My grandpa passed away at 94 years of age. So I have that picture. He was standing without cane at 94, without cane. It's with exercise, eating right, everything. And he was driving a car in New Delhi traffic at 92. 92. So I don't know. It's good to have a role model. I hope everybody watching us, please look in your family, friends, everybody who's living longer, get wisdom from them. How can we change our lifestyle? Like I've cut down my sugar.
Yeah.
I met with my doctor. My cholesterol was high to over 200. Now it's 141, 136, 141 because I take the medicine. But to really make sure my heart is pumping good, everything, I'm not going to eat any potatoes, rice, bananas, grapes, no sweets. I know Indian sweets, I love them. But once I make that shift, Kanchan, who's been married to me 46 years this year, she says, I know you are a goal-oriented person, but you have just done so good last 2 weeks. I lost 9 pounds.
Wow, congratulations. Yeah, that's
9
great.
pounds, 9 pounds, brother.
Yeah, that's the secret. You gotta put the right fuel in your body. If you're eating junk food, all I really eat is a lot of red meat, which I like. The way I eat is more of a ketogenic diet. I eat red meat.
Okay, yeah.
I eat some vegetables,
Yes.
and I very low carb. Okay, the only carbs I really eat is
Excellent.
sometimes I have a
Excellent.
salad,
Yes.
and the only fruit I have are blackberries, blueberries, and occasionally a strawberry. Those are low
Love it.
glycemic.
Berries are the best. Oh,
Yeah,
yes.
I believe in the fruit. I do have
Greek
yogurt.
Greek yogurt is
Greek
very
yogurt,
good.
low sugar yogurt.
Yeah,
You stay with
low sugar.
those foods.
Yeah.
Eat some chicken, and then you're good. I have some tuna fish.
Oh,
Once
tuna
in a-
fish. I love tuna fish on my salad in the lunchtime.
Yeah.
Sardines. I love sardines.
Sardines are very
and
good for
tuna
you.
fish. Very good for you, brother.
So not
Very
only
good.
you need to mind, you got to eat right, you got to work
Yeah.
out,
Yes.
and you got to get around the right people. That's the
You
secret
bet.
of success, right there. It's
I
simple.
totally agree. Wow, what a great episode. Guys, I hope you like these. And we try to get this out every Friday, 9 a.m. Please follow and give us comments. If you'd like to be on our show, we would love to have you. If you could share your superpowers with our followers and a lot of people, because it all goes live in every channel. Thanks so much, Beau. Thanks for taking the time. Dear friends, this is Vinney Smile Chopra. I am so glad you're listening to the episode. Thanks so much. Really appreciate that. Please share it with others who can really benefit also. Can I ask you a favor? Just a small favor. Less than a minute, if you could give 5-star reviews on iTunes or Stitcher, that'll go a long way. We are one of the top podcasts in real estate now in the nation, but it will really help a lot if you gave 5-star reviews, and we'll bring a lot more great content for you. Thank you so much. Appreciate that, and see you in the next episode. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Wow, what an incredible conversation today. I hope you got tons of value from this episode. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, leave a 5-star review, and follow me on social media to stay updated on all the things real estate, investing, abundance mindset, and wealth creation. If you're an accredited investor looking for exclusive investment opportunities, be sure to join our elite Monil Investors Club at vinnychopra.com/invest, where we share details of our future projects. Quick disclaimer, we are not selling any securities, and this podcast is strictly for educational and information purposes only. The opinions shared by our guests are their own and should not be considered financial or investment advice. Always do your own due diligence and consult with a financial professional before making any investment decisions. Thank you again for tuning in. Until next time, keep smiling, keep investing, and keep making a massive impact. God bless you. Beau and I are together to really bring the best to get your business to the next level.
Do me a favor, subscribe and share. I really appreciate it, and I look forward to connecting with you in the future.